Natural hair growth can be influenced by various factors, including genetics, diet, hair care practices, and overall health. You can adopt certain practices to promote healthy hair growth. Here are some tips. 1. Balanced diet. Eat a well-rounded diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Focus on foods containing biotin, eggs, nuts, and whole grains, vitamin C, citrus fruits, bell peppers, and iron, leafy greens, legumes, as they can support hair health. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated, which is essential for healthy hair growth. 3. Scalp massage. Gently massage your scalp regularly to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. You can use natural oils like coconut, jojoba, or almond oil for added benefits. 4. Avoid heat and chemicals. Minimize the use of heating tools, hair dryers, flat irons, and harsh chemicals, bleach, dyes, as they can damage hair and inhibit growth. 5. Trim regularly. Regular trims can help get rid of split ends and prevent further damage, promoting healthier hair growth. 6. Protective hairstyles. Opt for protective hairstyles that minimize manipulation and reduce hair breakage, such as braids, twists, or buns. 7. Avoid tight hairstyles. Avoid hairstyles that pull on your hair tightly as they can cause tension and hair loss. Traction alopecia. 8. Gentle hair care. Use sulfate-free and mild shampoos to avoid stripping your hair of natural oils. Be gentle while washing and detangling to minimize hair breakage. 9. Supplements. Common supplements for hair growth include biotin, collagen, and vitamin D. 10. Reduce stress. High stress levels can negatively impact hair growth. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or spending time outdoors. 11. Avoid overwashing. Washing your hair too frequently can strip it of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. Aim for washing every few days or as needed. 12. Get enough sleep. Prioritize getting sufficient sleep, as it plays a role in overall health and hair growth. Remember that hair growth is a gradual process, and individual results may vary. Be patient and consistent with your hair care routine, and focus on maintaining healthy hair rather than trying to speed up growth excessively.